Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
So with these conditions, this is the present and latest satellite image of the system. If we zoom into the locations around Goa, we can see that a lot of cloud formation is there. Thick and dense clouds are coming from Konkan side and as well as from South Maharashtra side. With these conditions prevailing, there are a set of heavy rainfall warning that IMD Goa has issued for the state of Goa. There is probability of rainfall exceeding 20 centimeters in 24 hours, which is termed as extremely heavy rainfall. Then there is probability of very heavy rainfall, that is rainfall exceeding 12 centimeters in 24 hours. Very heavy rainfall can be expected over Goa from 14th to 16th of October. Short-term disruption of municipal services, localized mudslides and rock falls. And if the rainfall activity continues for 1 or 2 days, there is even probability of swelling of rivers. There is probability that weak trees may get uprooted also with the 30 to 40 kilometers winds that are going to be there in these coming days. So fishermen are requested not to venture into sea from 14th of October onwards from Goa. If we see the detailed map of these warnings, we can see that the warnings are there not just for Goa region, but also for North Konkan region. To the south of Goa, warning is there for Karnataka as well as Kerala coast.